AI is not just changing jobs, it's rewriting the rules of work right now. Are you prepared for the shift happening today? According to MIT Sloan, AI is rapidly automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks in fields like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. This shift allows workers to focus on higher-value activities, increasing productivity. Companies implementing AI tools have seen workflow speed improvements by up to 40%, changing how daily work is structured and executed. MIT Sloan's research emphasizes that AI is not simply eliminating jobs, but transforming them. Positions now require a blend of technical skills and creative problem-solving. For example, customer service roles now include AI oversight and data interpretation. This redefinition means workers must adapt quickly to new responsibilities and continuously learn to stay relevant. The sectors most affected include healthcare, where AI assists in diagnostics and patient management, finance, where algorithms streamline risk analysis, and manufacturing, where automation enhances production lines. MIT Sloan highlights these industries as early adopters, showing how AI integration varies but consistently raises efficiency and changes job content. MIT Sloan stresses the urgency for employees to build AI-related skills. Understanding AI tools and data analysis is becoming essential. Companies are investing in retraining programs to help staff transition smoothly. The future workforce will need to collaborate with AI systems, not compete with them, making proactive learning critical. Looking ahead, MIT Sloan predicts AI will create entirely new job categories focused on managing and enhancing AI systems. Workflows will become more dynamic and data-driven. Organizations that adapt quickly to these changes will gain competitive advantages, while others risk falling behind. The transformation is accelerating now. AI is reshaping your workday right now, not someday. Understanding these changes means you can stay ahead, learn new skills, and thrive in your career. Don't wait for change to force your hand. Subscribe for daily insights that keep you informed and ready for the future of work.